Find the ABC sheet. Screw the screw into the corresponding screw hole. Find the drawer roll and take it out. Screw the roller into the corresponding screw hole of the B-plate. Align the plates together. Tighten the screw cap. Find the F-plate and turn the screws to cover it. Screw down nut. Find the IGH plate and turn the screw to align and close. Turn on the screw cap. Find the KJML sheet. Find the connector and fasten the screw on the corresponding hole. Turn the screw and close it. Screw down nut. Connect the lid to the cabinet. Find the QORPL sheet. Install the roller on the hole on the back of the plate. Assemble the plates and turn the screws. Align the drawer with the roller and put it in. Remove the lamp tape. Tear the tape on the back of the lamp belt and stick it on. Connect the lamp heads to each other and plug in USB to complete.